is that? Who's there? I know you're there. I gotta get Jaime.
Oh, that's cute.
Jaime, come quick.
What's wrong?
Dude, what were you reading? Anyways, hey. Sorry. Jeez, man, that hurt. Anyways, I was at the computer and I was on MySpace, and then I heard a. And I was like, "What was that?" And I ignored it, and it was like, and I was like, "Oh my god!"
We gotta tell this to Daniel.
Come on, let's go.
What are you doing?
Walking in slow motion,
Why?
adding dramatic effect.
Retard. Finally.
It sounded like a.
We gotta find where that noise is coming from.
I know. Let's look around. It's not in here.
It's not in here either. Man, I can't find the noise.
It's coming from there. There he is.
Oh, you guys called me. Sorry.
Daniel, was that you making the noise?
Yeah, I know, it was me. I'm sorry.
Nah, it was just me this time, guys. Yeah.
Da 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 da.